Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your fifth lesson and that is multiples and factors. In today's class we are going to learn about the divisibility rules. Dear students, you know how to divide the numbers. Okay, see here in this class by observing the numbers you come to know whether this number is divisible by which number. A rule which help us to divide the numbers. For that only we are calling the divisibility rules. So in today's class we are going to learn the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Very important. If you know this, then you can divide the given number easily. So here you have some tricks. If you know that tricks, then you come to know whether this number is divisible by which number. So here you have only divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? Very simple. See here, I took here 2, 4, 7, 2. Whether this number is divisible by 2 or no, I have to check. Yes, this number is divisible by 2. Why? Because in ones place what is there? 2. Dear students, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These digits are there means that number is completely divisible by 2. I hope you are getting my point. You see here in ones place. For example, you take here 1, 4, 8, 2. I will take here 3, 4, 6, 0. 9, 8, 9, 8. 2, 8, 9, 6. See here in 6, 8, 0, 2. It means these numbers are there, no, they are divisible by 2. Why? Because in ones place 0, 2, 6, 8, again you take 4. If that the digits are there in ones place means that number is completely divisible by 2. I hope you are getting my point. So this is the divisibility rule of 2. A number which has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the end point means at the ones place that numbers are divisible by 2. So this is the divisibility rule of 2. I hope you understood. Next we will go to next example. Then what is the divisibility rule of 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Tell me. Yes, see here, take this example 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. You take one example. I took here 2421, 2421. Add this. Add all the digits. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then tell me 9 is there in 3 ones table? Yes, it is a multiple of 3. Then this number is divisible by 3. This complete number is divisible by 3. For example, I will take here 1, 2, 3. Okay, see here 1 plus 2 plus 3. Add this. 3 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. See here, 5 is the multiple of 3? No. Then this number is not divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 3. If you get here answer 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 like this, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay. First you take the example, add it. If you get the multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. I hope you understood the rule of 2 and rule of 3. Rule of 2 is in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there means that number is divisible by 2. And next rule of 3 means you take the given number, add it, and if you get the multiples of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Okay. Next we move to rule of 4. Then what is this rule of 4? Rule of 4 means you have to take only the last 2 digits. Last 2 digits you take, what is there here, 48, and divide with 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Again you take here 8 down. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So here I got here remainder as a 0. Then the complete number is divisible by 4. I hope you are getting my point. See here 1, 4, 4, 8 is there. Last 2 digits you take, and if that number is divisible by what? 4 means that complete number is divisible by 4. Okay, so I will take here one more example. I take here 2, 5, 8, 3. Okay, last two digits are 8, 3. Okay, 8, 3, 83 is there, no, that is not completely divisible by 4. It means this number is not divisible by 4. Okay, so I hope you understood what is the rule of 4. See here, now you can divide this. See here, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2. So this much big number is there. Then how I come to know whether this number is divisible by 2 or no, 4 or no? See here, this number is divisible by 2. Why? Because in ones place 2 is there. Again this number is divisible by 4 also, because that last two digits are 12 and it is a multiple of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So it is a multiple of 4. Then this complete number is divisible by 4. The divisibility rules help us to divide the numbers without dividing, without following that all procedure. We come to know whether this number is divisible by which number. Next here, this is divisibility rule of 4 over. Next here, rule of 5. Okay, see here dear student, in ones place 5 and 0 is there, means that number is completely divisible by 5. So let us see here some example. 2, 1, 3, 5, 6, 1, 8, 3, 1, 2, 5, 6, 0. Just see is ones place 5 is there, here 3 is there, here 0 is there. In ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is completely divisible by 5. So this is also divisible by 5, this is also divisible by 5, but this is not divisible by 5. Okay, is it clear? See here, in ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. Next you take one more rule of 9. See here, again you have to follow here same procedure. Okay, you have to add the digit. So add here 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. Add this, 1 plus 7 is 8. Otherwise you add 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. Yes, 18 is the multiple of 9. Yes, 18 is there in 9 ones a table. Yes, it is there in 9 ones a table, means this number is divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 3, means that number is divisible by 9 also. So here divisibility rule of 3 and divisibility rule of 9. You just add the numbers, and if it is a multiple of 3 or if it is a multiple of 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Okay, so here rule of 10 is there, 3, 8, 9, 0. In ones place 0 is there, means in ones place 0 is there, means that number is divisible by 10. Okay, so here I taught the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 and 10. Okay, dear students, see here, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. You see here, you add, and if it is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Rule of 4 means last two digits you see, and if that number is divisible by 4, means that complete number is divisible by 4. In ones place 0 and 5 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. Here rule of 9 and rule of 3 are same. You take the digits, add it, and if it is a multiple of 3 or 9, that number is divisible by 9. Rule of 10 is, in ones place 0 is there, means that number is completely divisible by what? That number is divisible by 10. Okay, so here these are the divisibility rules. Here you have some examples. Tick the correct boxes. See here, they given some examples in your my practice time 2. Okay, my practice time 2 is there. So what is there here? 166. Next 177. Next here 148 is there, and here 765 is there, and here 265. Next 255 is there, and here 630 is there. So here they given divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. Next here which one is there? 9 and 10. So this type they given. So tell me 166 is there. In 1's place 6 is there means that number is divisible by 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 means that number is not divisible by 3. So put here dash mark. Next 177 is there. Add this 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 is there in 3 ones are table. So it is a multiple of 3. Okay. So here you put dash mark. Next 148 is there. Last 2 digit you see 48 is there. It means it is divisible by 4 and 2 as well. 2 dash this dash dash dash. 765 is there. So in 1's place 5 is there means that number is divisible by 5. Here also in 1's place 5 is there means that number is divisible by 5. Here 0 is there means that number is divisible by 2 also and also by 10. Okay, if you understood divisibility rules, then you can solve this column easily. Very easy is there. Next here one more concept is there. Which smallest digit will you add at the end to make these numbers divisible? See here, first one like this it is there. Yes, see here 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. Second main A. Next B is there and that is 3 1 2 4. Next C1 is there divisible by 4. 5 6 7 7. So if I want to divide this number by 2, by 3 and by 4, which number I have to add here? See here dear students, already you know divisibility rule. See here in 1's place 0 2 4 6 8 is there means that number is divisible by 2. Here 1 is there means I will add here 0. Then this number is divisible by 2. Here 3 1 2 4 is there. Okay, divisible by this number, divisible by 3 is there means 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is how much here? 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Means I can't divide this number. I will add here 2, then this number is divisible by 3. Okay. Next here 5, 6, 7, 7 is there. So which number I have to take here? I have to take here 6. So this 76 is divisible by 4. Because see here, divide this number 76. See here 4, 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4 is 3, again I take here 6 and 4 nines are 36, 0, 0. So I added here 6. If I add here 6 means that complete number is divisible by 4. The same you have few more examples there, you do it properly. Okay. Next here color the following numbers by using the given color code. Here numbers are divisible by 2 and 3 are there means you use yellow, and here if number is divisible by 5 means you use here blue, and if number is divisible by 5 and 10 means you use here red. And see here 1's place, follow the divisibility rules, do this properly. All this my practice time to solve neatly and send it to my personal number. Dear students, these divisibility rules are very important and the same concept is there for class 5 and class 6 also. So for this you need more practice. Keep practicing. Okay. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.